Na nababaw ka balin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Where in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, grabe, para akong nasa dagat ng mga pizza for today. We would like to thank Papa Joms Pizza for sending us 10 of their best-seller. Actually, ito na lahat yun eh. So they have 10 variants of pizza sa menu nila and they send them all to us for us to try on and of course, to introduce to you guys. And yeah, sabi ko nga sa inyo, para ako nasa dagat ng mga pizza for today. I mean, grabe. Yung mga flavors nila are very interesting. It's not the, the usual na nakikita ko sa mga pizza stands. Anyway, so let's start from this. So this is a triple chili pizza. Dito sa harap ko naman is the Chicago shrimp. Wow! Sarap nito, guys. Ang sarap nito, guys. I mean, from the look of it, it's already eye-appetizing. And the next is the Supreme Overload. Ooh! Guys, kapag may Supreme ang pangalan ng isang dish, so talagang mag-expect ka na it is absolutely supreme. Now, for the cheese lovers, I think you're gonna go for this one. It's the cheesy bacon. Oh, I think I'm gonna enjoy my day today, guys. So this one is the Kurdistan pizza. Oh man, Kurdistan pizza. Okay, next is the pepperoni lovers. Oh, sobrang dami ng, I mean, it's oozing with cheese. All right, next is the Spam Hawaiian Pizza. Oh wow, oh wow. Guys, I mean, if you're just with me in this room right now, napaka-aromatic ng mga pizza nila. And anyway, okay, so this is the favorite ham and cheese. Alright, so meron din tayong mga ham and cheese, the usual flavor. Siyempre, may mga naghanap pa rin ng mga nakasanayan na pizza. And then this one is the Hawaiian Deluxe. So right after the Hawaiian Spam, meron tayong Hawaiian Pizza. Okay, and next is pure beefy goodness. Oh wow, from the name itself, absolutely goodness. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with the last one that I introduced to you guys. So beefy goodness, let's try it. Oh wow, hot sauce tayo. I was just imagining, no? Kung isa-isa ko natikman lahat to, slice, parang nakaubos ako ng isang box. Sobra pa ng dalawang slice. Wow, I just love my job. Okay, ketchup, more ketchup. Oh wow. Whew, so that was a great slice. The first one was the beefy goodness and grabe, it was absolutely goodness, no? So let's talk about the menu naman nila. For the Spam Hawaiian Pizza, 269, Chicago Shrimp, 269, Triple Chili Pizza, 269 pesos. So merong tatlong flavor or variant na 269 pesos for the large, which I think I'm gonna go for that one. So the Spam Hawaiian Pizza, which is this Spam Hawaiian Pizza. Wow, I love the cheese. Of course, the Spam is very smoky in flavor. Okay, next to taste is this Chicago Shrimp Pizza. If you notice again, meron tayong shrimp. For the size of the shrimp, it is moderately above the average size, no? Ng mga shrimp natin. And again, what I love about Papa Joms Pizza, oozing with cheese. Sobrang dami ng cheese. Okay, let's try it. So, another must-try dito sa Papa Joms Pizza is the Triple Chili Pizza. Again, I love chili dishes, I love chili food, and I bet I'm gonna enjoy this as well. Whoa. Although it's named after, triple chili, meron pa rin tayong mga parang meat bits dito. And then, I think, this is blowtorch. So, parang medyo burnt yung natin, yung surface natin. Anyway, so that's gonna give you a smoky, parang smoky aftertaste. Oh yeah, it is hot. Alright, so they are kind enough to send us as well yung kanilang mga chocolate refreshments. So sabi niya dito, we grind your favorite chocolates in a blender. Ayan, so I can see sa background, meron tayong Milky Way, may M&M's, Snickers, Kit Kat. Anyway, so tikman natin kung ano yung pinadala nila. Alright, so this is it. Let's give it a quick stir para even out yung chocolate natin. There you go. So this one, it has a little bit of a nutty taste. So it's either a Reese or a Snicker bar. Guys, let's support local. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. Lalo-lalo na yung friend mo na naghahanap na ng pizza, craving for pizza. Check out Papa Joms Pizza. Thanks so much for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next video, see you there. Bye. Woo, 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 woo.